Hello my friends, nice to see you again. About the maintenance of the chainring, how much do you know? Welcome back to a new episode of How to Earn Tips. This is Yao with you. As we all know, one of the terrible things during the riding is drop the chain at critical moments. Once you meet this problem, like fixing the chain is a time-consuming matter which contaminates your hands with black, sick oil. It really influences the schedule and also mood when on a trip. Thus, maintenance of e-bike chain is of great importance. E-bike chain part consists of roller, inner and outer plates, and joint link. Between the two chain plates, the roller is wrapped around the pin, engaging the teeth of the chain rim. It efficiently transfers the physical energy from the pedals to the rear wheel. If you want to ride the bicycle smoothly, you must pay attention to the maintenance of the chain. Maintenance Tip 1. Lubrication. Chain lubrication needs chain oil for bicycles, which is divided into dry lube and wet lube, depending on the riding environment and road condition. For example, dry chain lube does not easily absorb dust and is suitable for use in dry weather. Wet chain lube is more viscous and suitable for use in wet weather. Okay, what's in my hand is a wet chain lube I bought online. I'm now dripping chain oil into each roller in a small even amount. When doing it, roll the chain and make sure every roller is lubricated. To save time, you can slowly roll the crank and drip the chain oil on the rim. Maintenance Tip 2. Clean. The easiest approach is to wipe the chain regularly. That means before and after a ride, wipe the chain with a rag and then lubricate the chain. Frequently clean and lubricate the chain in this way, then you don't need to clean with a chain solvent. Pay attention, if you clean the chain with kind of water detergent, moisture on the chain needs to be wiped off with a rag first and then lubricated. Maintenance Tip 3. Replace. As the rollers, pins, and chain plates wear out, the chain also stretches. As the chain stretches, it accelerates the wear and tear of the other parts of the drivetrain. Then the elongated chain will cause the load to no longer be evenly distributed to the contacting teeth, and the concentrated force will sharpen the teeth and increase the gap between the teeth. If the wear has already occurred, simply changing the chain will not help, because the new chain will not be able to fit in the deformed teeth. And if you pedal hard, then the teeth will slip. So, get into the habit of regularly checking and replacing your chain before more wear and tear occurs. Chain life depends on factors such as type of chain, frequency of maintenance, riding environment, and rider strength and weight. If a burly person with heavy weight is riding on a relatively dirty road, then the chain needs to be replaced once for like 600 to 800 miles. A light cyclist riding on a relatively clean surface can extend the chain for like 1,300 miles before replacing the chain. So guys, check and clean the chain of your Magicycle e-bike regularly and keep it in the best condition. If you like my sharing but you haven't subscribed us yet, please subscribe our channel and don't forget, give us a thumbs up, okay? And we'll see you in the next episode. Farewell. Bye-bye. Maintenance Tip 2. Clean. The easiest approach to subscribe our channel and don't forget, give us a thumbs up and we will see you in the next